Okay, welcome my viewers. Today's class will be discussing the Y question 2019, number 4A. And we have exponential function here. We are asked to solve for S for this. So before we solve this problem, we should recall some indices, some of the roots of indices, which if I have 1 over this, 1 over A, it is same thing as this. One of the roots. Again, that if I have something like 8, something like this, I can have these two. Then also one of the rules of indices, we say that if I have this times this, with this, is something as this, which is this. So back to the question, we have this equal to 32 s minus 1. Then let's remember this 1 over 2 raised to power 3 raised to power this equal to 2 raised to power 5. Going through that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equal to 32. And this same thing as 2 raised to power 5. So I have to reduce this to this. So applying one of these rules too, we have that 2 of this equal to this. Then times this of brackets. So in multiplication times this opening bracket have this equal to this is something as 2 raised to power 5s minus 5. And when I have 2 raised to power 1, it's something as 2. So what I have here is this. And this is something as this plus equal to 2 raised to power this. Plus minus is minus. So we have 1 minus 3s equal to 2 raised to power 5s minus 5. So because I have the same base here, it means that the powers should also be equal. So equating the powers, we have 1 minus 3s equal to 5s minus 5. Collecting like terms now, this one coming this side, and this one coming this side. This is minus. Then we have 1 plus 5 equal to 5s plus 3s. Adding these two, we have 8s and we have 6. So dividing both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 8. Coefficient of s, we have 6 over 8 equal to 8s over 8. 8 dividing both sides by this, we have this. That is to say that my s, that is to say that s equal to 6 over 8, which is 2 divided by 6 divided by 2 is 3, and this divided by this is this. So in decimal, we have 0.30 plus 87. Remember 2, that is 25. Like this. So if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. Okay, in the next this second question, we have a figure. If you say in the diagram, PQRS is a equilateral. That triangle PQR equal to angle PQR equal to angle PRS equal to 90 degrees. PQR is something as PRS is 90 degrees. The stress is on this Q, it's on this R, we have 90 degrees. So which means here will also be 90 degrees. Then you say PQ equal to 3 cm, PQ is 3 cm, and QR is 4 cm, and PS is 13 cm. Find the area of the quadrilateral. Solution. Now using Pythagoras theorem, we have to find This side is not given. Let's call it S and call this one Y. Using Pythagoras theorem, we consider angle triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem, we have PQ squared plus QR squared equal to S squared. That is to say that S squared equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. 9 plus 16, which is 25. Meaning this, we have S is what? 5 cm. Normally, if you take square, it's supposed to be plus or minus, but since we're talking about length here, let's have the negative length. So we have weight, which is only 5 cm. So which means my S here is 5 cm. Again, in triangle PROS, PS squared equal to PR squared plus RS squared. Already my ROS is given here. Okay. My ROS, okay, is Y, it's not given. But my PS, we are 5 PM, which is 5 cm. And my PS is 30 cm, when my PR is 5 cm, the one we just found. That is to say that 13 squared equal to 5 squared plus RS squared. That is RS squared equal to 169 minus 25. That gives me 144. Taking square roots in both sides, we have ROS. Okay, this is this. Taking square roots now, we have ROS is equal to 12 cm. Yes, after if I take square root, we have this. This one go with this, and this one, as I have explained before, just take positive value of this, which is 12 cm. So here now is 12 cm, while here is 5 cm. Now to find the area of this shape, we have to find the area of these two different right angle triangles. Two different angles, this angle, this triangle, and this triangle. So, which implies that in triangle, that now area of triangle PQR equal to half times this times QR, which is something as this times 3 times 4. And that gives me half times 12, which is 12, which is this 6 cm. Equally, area of triangle PRS equal to half times line PR times line ROS. That gives me that's equal to half times my PQ. So my PR here is 5 cm times my Y, that of Y, find out, is 12 cm times 60 times 30 cm. Now, that to say that the area of this whole shape is now the area of this, as I've explained before, plus the area of this. Now, the area of the quadrilateral equal to area of triangle PQR plus area of triangle PRS. That gives me 6 cm plus 30 cm. That is 36 cm. So if there's any question, you can put in the comment section.